Mursal goes in. There's one more left to load, and that's DESPO'S Dream going up and in. They're in the gate. And they're off. DESPO'S Dream is going out for the early lead. COQUITO is flashing speed as well and coming to challenge for the front. Down on the inside, Carolina's Smoke Show, and now Carolina's Smoke Show has come through to be on even terms with COQUITO on the front end. DESPO'S Dream is third. Mursal had a very slight bobble, not even worth mentioning, but it just was. Fourth on the inside, 2.5 off the pace. Heavenly Light is in fifth. The two trailers, Baby SASSICAIA and CURLIN'S Magic. 23-2 for the opening quarter, and DESPO'S Dream goes to put the pressure on COQUITO, and that puts Carolina Smoke Show back to third. Mursal in striking range fourth, has 2.5 to make up, rounding the far turn. A break 3 back to Heavenly Light, Baby SASSICAIA, and CURLIN'S Magic trails 46-2 for the half. It's COQUITO and DESPO'S Dream arriving at the top of the stretch with Mursal in hot pursuit in the 3-path third. There's 1 furlong to go, and here's Mursal shifting a bit while rallying strongly to the front. COQUITO on the inside keeps on battling, and in between them, DESPO'S Dream. It's Mursal with her 4th win from her last 5 starts under a perfect ride from Dylan Davis. No photo today. DESPO'S Dream, followed by COQUITO and Baby SASSICAIA. Eight, Mursal was first. 10, DESPO'S Dream finished second. 5, COQUITO third. 6, Baby SASSICAIA fourth. And the winner's circle is Mursal. Mursal is a 6-year-old bay mare by Classic Empire out of Classic Brit, owned by Linda Rice, along with Mariquest and Di Lorenzo. Linda Rice gets her 3rd win on the day. Congratulations, Linda Rice. Dylan Davis aboard for the victory. Mursal was bred in Kentucky by Parish Hill Farm and Ashford Stud. That's her third win in a row. Running time 123.61 seconds. And her fourth win from her last 5 starts. 11th win from 38 lifetime starts. What a nice mare. And her previous 3 wins all came in photo finish fashion. Today, a very decisive victory for Mursal.